How to fix microphone on your Google Chrome browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix microphone on your Google Chrome browser, easy and fast. So first thing you have to do is go to the top right here, click on those three dots, and now go down, click on this settings option, and then go right here and click on privacy and security. As you can see, now click on site settings and then scroll down until you find the microphone option. Click on microphone, and now as you can see, you can choose any microphone you want from here, and then you can enable it from here if it's not working. And if you want to disable it, you can disable it from here. And right here you will find the allowed websites that are using your microphone. As you can see, now I'm allowing this website to use my microphone, and if I want to remove it, I can remove it from here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.